I'm Anchal Oberoi and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing super fabulous. So guys, I'm at the famous Bandra Linking Road market today and I can't wait to explore the market. So come on, let's get started with this, and if you like the video then don't forget to press the thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. So come on, let's get started. So guys, I started exploring the market from opposite the Mad Over Donuts lane, and there was an amazing collection of t-shirts, shirts, tops and dresses here. And since winter is here, there were a lot of options of sweatshirts and sweaters in the market as well. There's a great variety of tops available right now, ranging from your sleeveless to your spaghettis to your half sleeves to your knotted tops and your handkerchief style tops too. There are great options of shirts and full sleeves t-shirts available in the market right now. There is a very nice variety of jeans available in the market right now, right from your mom jeans to your straight fit jeans to your flared jeans, and nice sizes are available in them too. I spotted a lot of coordinates and all of them were priced between 500 to 600 rupees. There was a great variety of dresses ranging from your casual to your formal and party wear dresses too, and they all were priced between 500 to 900 rupees. All these tops were priced between 250 to 350 rupees, and they were available in nice colors and good patterns. There was a really good variety in your denim dresses, your denim jackets and your skirts as well. There were lots and lots of options of pants and jeans. You get a great choice of tops in this market, so if you're looking for casual wear tops, party wear tops, formal wear tops, you will get absolutely everything. Also, a lot of sweatshirts are available in the market right now. And again, you can see all these dresses. You get beautiful formal dresses here and even your nice party wear dresses, and all of them are priced between 500 to 900 rupees. If you're a good bargainer, then you can definitely get great deals in this market because it is great for bargaining. Again, all these bags were priced between 400 to 1000 rupees. If you're looking for Indian wear, then you must definitely visit Bandra Linking Road right now because they have a beautiful collection. You will get very nice kurti palazzo sets, kurti skirt sets, and all of them are priced between 700 to 1500 rupees. Yes, you can get good stuff for your casual wear as well as your party wear. You can get short kurtis, long kurtis, anarkalis, one-piece kurtis. Absolutely everything is available here, and they're available in nice colors and nice patterns. These kurtis and kurti sets are available in different fabrics ranging from your cottons to your synthetics to your georgettes and your crepe as well. There are these beautiful kurti sets available which are just perfect for your everyday. So a lot of times you guys ask me where you can get nice long dresses and gowns. So yes, you can get them all at Bandra Linking Road, and they're available at very reasonable prices. They're all priced between 700 to 1500 rupees. And yes, again, you can bargain and get great deals here. And not only your long gowns and dresses, but you also have a nice variety of your short dresses and knee length dresses here. They have great patterns and colors available in them and good sizes too, and all these short dresses are also priced between 500 to 900 rupees. On the streets of Bandra Linking Road, you get some really cool stuff. So yes, I spotted this guy who was selling sweaters, and all of them had Zara tags on them, and they were for only rupees 300. There was a great variety available in these sweaters, and they're just perfect for the weather right now. There were great options available in them, and all these kurtis that you see were for flat 250 rupees. There were a lot of these guys who were standing with these earrings, and all these earrings were at flat rupees 50. You get great neck pieces and full sets like your neck pieces and earrings only for rupees 100 here, and they have great options in them. I spotted some really cool bags in the market. Yes, all these bags are really in nowadays, and they were only for rupees 250. They were in some really cool shapes like your square shape, your rectangle shapes, your circular shapes, and they had some very cool patterns, and all of them were priced at rupees 250. And the ones which are little formal were all priced at a flat of rupees 350. All these jeans were priced between 200 to 250 rupees, and there were even basics available like your socks and lot of these dresses, like these netted dresses, which were all priced between 200 to 250 rupees. So guys, this is one stall right opposite the gazebo shopping market, and he's got a good collection of dresses and tops, and all the tops are between कितने से कितनी रेंज के टॉप्स हैं? अच्छा 250 से लेके 250 से लेके 350 के टॉप्स हैं, और काफ़ी अच्छी वैरायटी है इसमें. यू कैन सी लॉट ऑफ दीज शिमरिंग टॉप्स ऑल्सो, सो दे आर ग्रेट फॉर योर पार्टी वेयर, एंड देर आर नाइस कैजुअल वेयर टॉप्स हियर टू. और ये जो ड्रेसेस हैं ये कितने की हैं? अच्छा, ये जो सारी ड्रेसेस दिख रही हैं पीछे, दे आर ऑल फॉर ₹250. These dresses are definitely a catch for ₹250 because they're available in beautiful colors and patterns. And there's a great collection of tops right from your casual wear to your party wear as well. So if you go to Bandra Linking Road, then you must definitely go to the Gazebo Market. So I am right outside the Gazebo Market, and there's a great variety of your leggings and pants available here. There are a lot of these stalls outside where you get a nice variety of tops and sweatshirts. And all these tops are priced between 200 to 250 rupees. There are a lot of these racks where you will get a great variety of these tops. So since winter is here, there are a lot of options of sweaters and sweatshirts here too. So guys, right outside the Gazebo Market are these beautiful stalls where you get really nice crochet tops. दिखाएंगे ये crochet tops दिखाएंगे. Like these ones I really liked. And how much are they for? कितने के हैं भैया? 350 के हैं, and they have some nice colors in them also. And what I really liked was okay, so these kind of sweaters are really in fashion nowadays. And how much are these for? कितने के हैं ये? 450 के, and of course they will bargain with you, right? आप अच्छे prices में इनको ले सकते हैं. And they have got some Zara tags also, and there is a very good variety in these sweatshirts. ये आपको बॉम्बे की विंटर्स के लिए बिल्कुल परफेक्ट रहते हैं, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा वार्म भी नहीं है, और इनमें इनके पास काफ़ी अच्छी वैरायटी है. ये सब 350 to 450 के बीच में है. ये सब 350 to 450 के बीच में हैं, और इनमें काफ़ी अच्छे डिज़ाइंस और कलर्स अवेलेबल हैं. So guys, this is the Gazebo Market, and on entering I saw these really nice dresses, and there was a great variety right from your casual wear to your party wear and your formal wear dresses too. And they were available in nice colors and nice designs. There was a nice variety of tops too, again your casual tops, your formal tops and your party wear tops too, and all the tops were priced between 200 to 300 rupees. This guy was selling all the tops for ₹100 and all the pants for ₹200. तो इन भैया ने सेल लगाई है 100 रुपीज़ के टॉप.
हाँ 100 रुपीज़ का टॉप है.
100 रुपीज़ के टॉप्स हैं, और टॉप्स हैं, कुर्तीज़ हैं. क्या शॉप नंबर है आपका?
शॉप नंबर 8 रिया कलेक्शन.
शॉप नंबर 8 रिया कलेक्शन पे ऑल टॉप्स आर फॉर ₹100. Okay guys, so you get really nice kurtis at the Gazebo Market. So come on, let's see how much these kurtis are for.
All different प्राइस. जैसी कुर्ती लोगे वैसा प्राइस आएगा सबका. 500 से ऑनवर्ड्स है.
अच्छा, तो आपके पास सिर्फ कुर्ती पलाजो हैं?
एवरीथिंग सब है. कुर्ती है, वन पीस है, गाउन है, ड्रेसेस है, चूड़ीदार है, घरारा है, सब है.
तो स्टार्टिंग प्राइस क्या है कुर्तीज़ का? 500 ऑनवर्ड्स. और जो पूरा सेट रहेगा कुर्ती पलाजो?
1800. जैसा क्वालिटी रहेगी वैसा प्राइस होता है हमारे.
ओके, थैंक्स. There's a nice variety of kurtis and kurti sets available at the Gazebo Market, and all of them are very reasonably priced. They were all in nice fabrics, and even the stitching was quite good. Also, I spotted this jeans shop where you are getting all these jeans between 700 to 1500 rupees, and he also had a nice variety of denim skirts. There were a lot of shorts available in the market, and all these shorts were priced between 200 to 250 rupees. There were lots and lots of stalls of these kurtis and kurti sets, like your kurti palazzos, kurti skirts, kurti pants, and all of them were priced between 700 to 1500 rupees. There were a lot of options of half sleeve tops, full sleeve tops, and your spaghetti tops, and all of them were priced between 200 to 350 rupees. There were many options in your dresses, right from your formal dresses to your party dresses, and all of them were priced between 700 to 1500 rupees. So guys, in the gazebo market itself, you get everything right from your tops to your dresses to your jeans to your shorts to your kurtis as well. And all of these things are available at very reasonable prices. Guys, it feels really good to be appreciated, so please do drop in a message to tell me what you liked about this video, and if you're new here, then please do subscribe to my channel. So yes guys, you also get accessories in this market. So all these belts that you see are priced at rupees 150, and all these tops lying here are for rupees 152. So you can get a nice variety of denim shorts here, denim jackets, and your jeans as well. And these jeans are available in nice colors. There was a very good variety of sweatshirts here, and all of them were priced between 250 to 400 rupees. And it's not only available for girls, but you'll get a nice variety for boys too. Again, at Bandra Linking Road, you get a very good variety of footwear, ranging from your jutis to your sport shoes to your boots to your kitten heels, your big heels, and your flat chappals as well. And all this footwear is priced between 300 to 900 rupees. Again, there is a lot of bargaining that happens for footwear too. So if you're a bargainer, then you will definitely get great deals in this market. So guys, with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, liked it, and found it useful. And if you did, then don't forget to press the thumbs up. Do share it with your friends, and do let me know what you liked about this video. And if you're new here, then please do subscribe to my channel. See you guys very soon.